2008 Saab Turbo 9.3. You guys can see, you don't see these much anymore. Do they still make them overseas? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Anyways, question of the day. Do they still make Saab overseas? Let me know. Anyways, we put a new flex pipe on it. The other flex pipe was broke. Secondary cat's still on it. Then we did a resonator delete there. 2 1/4 pipe continues. And then there's a muffler delete. I don't know who did it. We didn't do it. Or maybe we did. I don't remember. Anyways, just being honest. There it is. All done. Saab 9.3 fully straight pipe for your viewing pleasure. And it is a 2.0 turbo. There's the resonator that was on it that we took off to let it breathe a little bit more. And we can hear the sound more. So stay tuned, guys. Like always, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe. Saab 9.3 2.0 turbo fully straight pipe. To it too. Double step it. I bet you when you get on it, it'll pop. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 100. Heck yeah. Go ahead and back it up. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Beautiful blue skies today. Nice and toasty and hot. That's our beautiful shop. You ain't heard a Saab like this one before. Turbo 9.3. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Saab 9.3 Turbo for your viewing pleasure today. Today's word of the day is viewing pleasure. Fully straight piped. That's really nice. I like it.